Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b where a square plus b square is equal to 2009 and a, b are integer. We have given a square plus b square is equal to 2009 or a square plus b square is equal to 7 times 7 times 41 because the prime factor of 2009 is 7 times 7 times 41, or a square plus b square is equal to 7 times 7, it will be remaining 7 square times 41. Now the sum of two square number is a product of a square number, so both a and b are divided by 7. So consider a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 7y. Now substituting this a and b, we can write here 7x square plus 7y square is equal to 7 square times 41, or 7x square, it will be remaining 7 square times x square, plus 7y square, it will be remaining 7 square times y square is equal to 7 square times 41, or taking common 7 square to left side, we will write here 7 square bracket x square plus y square is equal to 7 square times 41, or divided by both sides 7 square, we will write here 7 square bracket x square plus y square over 7 square is equal to 7 square times 41 over 7 square. This 7 square cancel out this 7 square and this 7 square cancel out this 7 square. So it will be remaining x square plus y square is equal to 41. Or here we can write x square plus y square is equal to 4 square plus 5 square, because 41 can be sum of two square number in only this way. Now comparing both sides, we can write here x square is equal to 4 square, then y square is equal to 5 square, or x square is equal to 5 square and y square is equal to 4 square. Now from here, taking square root to both sides, we can write here x is equal to plus or minus 4 and y is equal to plus or minus 5, or x is equal to plus or minus 5 and y is equal to plus or minus 4. Now in both cases we will have x plus y is equal to plus or minus 5 plus or minus 4. Now multiplying both sides by 7, we can write here 7 times x is equal to 7x plus 7 times y is equal to 7y is equal to plus or minus 7 times 5 is equal to 35 and plus or minus 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Or attention here, 7x is equal to a and 7y is equal to b. So here we can write a plus b is equal to plus or minus 35 plus 28 or plus or minus 35 minus 28. So the value of a plus b is equal to plus or minus 36 or plus or minus 7. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.